Hey guys, welcome back. I am Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this session, we are going to learn what competitor analysis is, how to do that. We will use two methods to do competitor analysis. One is using the manual method and the other is using a free tool. For example, if you're running an online business, the websites ranked in search engines that offer similar products or services to yours are your competitors. In this competitor analysis, we'll look into competitors' performance and examine how their web pages are optimized, figuring out why they're at the top in the search results. Okay, let's look into it in detail. I have listed out 10 basic steps we need to follow to do a perfect competitor analysis. Okay, let's see one by one. The first one is to identify your top 5 competitors. We can find out by searching our products in search engines like the users. For example, I have searched air conditioner services in Bangalore. On the top pages are mainly appear with Google Buy services. Most of them are Google Ads results. If you scroll down, there you can find classified websites like No Broker, Sulika, IndiaMart, and so on. It is challenging to compete with these classified sites because they have high domain and page authority. However, if you have a classified website, then you can compete with them. Then little scroll down and you'll find organic results like vjhomeservices.com. These are the sites you should focus on. I hope you got it. Like this, you need to select 5 competitors from these organic results, as these are the ones you need to beat to rank higher. The next one is title tag. After listing your 5 competitors, you have to look at how their title tag is optimized. To find out this, I am going to my previous search results. For example, here I am opening my homey.in. If you look at the top of the tab, we get to know their title. If you haven't got a full title tag, go to the center of the page and right-click. Then click the View Page Source option. After that, click Ctrl F and type title. There you can get their title tag. They have used a title like Air Conditioner Services in Bangalore. There are so many ranking factors. We are going to look one by one. Take a separate list of the title tags of your competitors. By comparing this only, you have to do your page title tag. The next one is meta description. If you are searching for something in the search engine, the following things will be in the search results. First is the website URL, title tag, and meta description. The meta description will be in 2 lines. Also, it is called a short description. You will see that in this search, the first website URL is mentioned. Next, the title tag is there followed by the description tag. There are a lot of chances that after reading the title tag, the user may look at your description. So you have to optimize the description properly. If you include your primary keyword, you can get a good response from the search engine. You have to separately maintain your competitor's meta description because we are going to optimize our website by comparing this. The next one is meta keywords. This can be optional because recent search engines will not consider meta keywords. But if your competitor's company is 2 to 4 years old, they would have used meta keywords. You can find out their keywords by clicking View Source and typing keywords. Search their keywords in search engines and look at which place they have ranked. The next one is headings. In your competitors' websites, note the title tags in H1, H2, H3, because you have to know what type of keywords they have optimized. The next one is alt attribute. This is also very important because search engines can't read your image, but by using the alt tag, if you input your primary keywords, the search engine can decide whether this particular image is related to this particular keyword. If users search the keyword you have inputted, the search engine can bring your images as results. So alt attribute is very important. You have to make a list of your competitors' alt attribute. Let's see how to do this. We are taking a website. Here only one image is used. Let's see if alt is used or not. Right-click on the image and click the option called Inspect. Here you can see the website's URL, and next to that, there is an alt tag. So by using this search in search engines, there are a lot of chances that this image will appear. Like this, make a list of your competitors' alt attribute. The next one is keyword consistency. It will differ by how many times you have used the primary keyword on your website. For example, on your competitors' websites, check how many times keywords are repeated. Note the count of repeated keywords. It helps them to rank first by repeatedly using a keyword. If only we could analyze their consistency, it would help our website. The next one is link analysis. Here, we should analyze their internal links and outbound links. For analyzing this, there are free tools available. If we do this manually, it is a huge time-consuming process. In the next session, we are going to learn how to do link analysis by using a free tool. The next one is URL structure. In URL structure, the domain name will be common. But we have to know how they have set their product or service name, whether they have used any keyword or directly included their services. For example, if we take the same previously searched website, in the above tab, they have placed ACA Service Bangalore in their URL. So we have to look at whether our competitor has made a URL using the same match. The next one is Google Preview. Here you should know how your competitor's website appears in search engines. Let's see how we can find out this. Go to Google and type site and followed by a colon. Paste the competitor's URL and then click enter. It will show all the pages on their website. You can get a clear picture of how many pages they have ranked. So the search pattern is site, followed by a colon, and paste the competitor's URL and click enter. We can find out which pages they have ranked on Google. Okay, now I hope you understand how we can use the manual method to do competitor analysis. In the next session, I will show how to do competitor analysis using a free tool. If you have any questions or doubts, mention them in the comments and I'll answer as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital 2 Design. See you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye guys.